Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a fascinating story that's got the astronomy world buzzing. Imagine this: a SpaceX rocket, after a successful mission, goes rogue and ends up crashing into the moon. Sounds like a sci-fi plot twist, right? But this is exactly what happened, according to recent reports. Now, this isn't just a random accident. It's a significant event with some intriguing implications. First, let's set the scene. Back in January 2025, SpaceX launched a Falcon rocket carrying two private lunar landers, Blue Ghost and Resilience. The mission was a success, with Blue Ghost making history as the first private spacecraft to land on the moon. But here's the twist: the rocket's upper stage, a massive cylinder, went adrift after completing its job. And due to a combination of solar activity and gravity, it found itself on a collision course with the moon. Now, this isn't the first time a rocket has gone rogue and ended up as lunar litter. In 2022, a Chinese rocket unintentionally hit the moon, and experts believe there have been many more unobserved impacts over the decades. But what makes this particular crash noteworthy is the certainty with which scientists predicted it. Astronomers like Carl Schmidt and Jonathan McDowell were confident that the rocket would crash, and they were right. This raises an important question: are we witnessing the beginning of a new era of space exploration, where lunar collisions become more frequent? The moon is no longer a quiet, untouched celestial body. With NASA's Artemis program and private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin gearing up for lunar missions, human activity around the moon is about to skyrocket. As astrophysicist McDowell points out, the moon is about to get a lot busier. And with increased traffic comes increased risk. The recent crash highlights the need for better space traffic management and debris mitigation strategies. We can't have rocket parts randomly crashing into the moon, kicking up dust and potentially disrupting future missions. Personally, I find this situation intriguing because it reflects the growing pains of space exploration. As we push further into the cosmos, we are encountering challenges we never anticipated. It's like learning to drive: you might master the basics, but navigating busy streets is a whole new skill. In this case, we are learning how to navigate the complexities of space traffic and the potential consequences of our actions. What's more, this incident underscores the importance of international cooperation in space. With multiple nations and private companies involved, ensuring safe and sustainable space exploration requires collaboration. SpaceX is already working with NASA to prevent future accidents, which is a step in the right direction. But it also highlights the need for global regulations and standards to govern space activities. In the grand scheme of things, this SpaceX rocket crash serves as a wake-up call. It reminds us that as we venture into space, we must do so responsibly and sustainably. We can't afford to treat the moon or any celestial body as a dumping ground for our technological leftovers. This incident is a stark reminder that space exploration comes with great responsibility. So, what's next? Well, we eagerly await NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter to fly over the crash site and provide us with those impact crater photos. These images will offer valuable insights into the effects of such collisions. And as we move forward, let's hope that space agencies and private companies continue to work together to ensure that our exploration of the moon and beyond is conducted with care and foresight. Because the last thing we want is for the moon to become a cosmic junkyard. Stay tuned as the story of space exploration continues to unfold.